This project demonstrates how to replace your bent or broken drawer slides with our 32-061 self-closing drawer slide pair. To complete this project, you'll also need the 32-018 rear drawer slide socket pair, a Phillips head screwdriver or bit, a drill, a 1/16 of an inch drill bit, mounting screws, a level, and safety goggles. We suggest reusing your old screws or using our 33-088 6x5/8 mounting screw. To remove this style of drawer, push in the release tabs on both sides. If your track does not have this, simply pull up and out to remove. Before removing the old tracks, mark their location to help in mounting the new hardware at the correct height. Now you can unscrew the tracks and pull the sockets out from the back of the cabinet. The tracks on the drawer are riveted in place, so we'll use a drill to remove the rivets. However, your drawer tracks may be secured with a different style of fastener. To avoid damaging the thin backing of this cabinet, we'll reinforce the panel with a piece of wood. Measure the inside to determine the length of wood needed for reinforcement. Be sure to place the pilot holes in a position that won't interfere with the new sockets. Since it may be difficult to work inside the cabinet, drill the pilot holes and screws into the wood to get started. Then, fully secure the wood block into the back of the cabinet. Measure the length of your original track to determine the correct length of your replacement slides. Ours is 21 5/8 of an inch, but yours could vary. Secure the new track into the drawer with the 33-088 mounting screw. We suggest only securing the sides rather than the bottom of the drawer to avoid any splitting. Since we're replacing a side-mounted drawer track with a bottom-mounted drawer track, we'll need to take the difference into account when choosing the cabinet track height. Now, slide the 32-018 sockets onto the ends of the cabinet tracks. Using a level to confirm the track is even, mark the necessary locations for pilot holes. Then attach the sockets and tracks into the cabinet with screws. Place the drawer back into the cabinet for a smooth and functional new track assembly. For these parts and more, visit us at swissco.com.